Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? We have some limited edition items to share with you today. Once they are gone, they're gone forever and ever and ever and ever. So if you like them, I suggest you get them now, because I don't want you to email me in a month or two and say, I want that, and it's gone. And then I'll be sad, and then you'll be sad, and we don't want that to happen. Okay, are you ready? This is our, oh, I got to name this one. I seldom get to name them. This is called the Pink Yummies, and in all honesty, I'm going to open this one because I have to share how awesome it is. This one is one of my favorites because, of course, it's all pink. It has a white twine, a pink thicker twine. It has pink washi tape. It has 2 ribbons, one pink gingham and one purple seam binding, and ice cream puffy stickers! Ice cream puffy stickers! I think this one's for me. So there's one less on the website. Just saying. Go get it. Once it's gone forever. Now, we also have another one. This one is, oh, this one's like a 4th of July type theme. It's called Red, White, and Blue. Oh, I've got to get these not mixed up. Now, this one has red, white, and blue twine. It has a, ooh, this is cool. It's a natural colored ribbon with stars and natural colored twine. It has red, white, and blue and gray epoxy. Ooh, red rhinestones, stars, and another, like a midnight blue seam binding. Once it's gone for good. So if you're making 4th of July cards, you have to get this one, right? Now, we also have a limited edition leftover Love You dies from our Love You kit that came out quite a while ago. I don't even know, it doesn't even say on here, but quite a while ago. So we have that available if you didn't get that, the Love You. Again, limited. And, Love You paper pad, now available to everyone. As you know, this is when you could cut out your flowers if you're a diehard member. Lovely patterns on here. And our pattern paper pads have been selling out most recently. So once they're gone, we do not reprint them. I know a lot of people say, oh, are you going to reprint this one? No, it's gone. We like to come out with new. So once it's gone, it's gone. If you like this one, go grab it quick. We do offer these earlier to our Gold Club members, and that's when they've been selling out lately. So we've actually upped our order, but get it while you can, just saying. Again, all of these items are limited edition. If you go to our website and you watch this video and you go look for one of these items and you don't find it, that means it's gone, okay? It means it's gone, so get it quick. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.